Hey everybody, my name is Abe Brown. Now there was a time in my life growing up pretty poor when I looked at what I thought were wealthy people or rich people, and I felt a pain in my heart because I didn't have the stuff that they have. I didn't seem to be having the fun that they were having, and I certainly didn't have the big smiles that it looked like they had. What I didn't realize was that so much of the time in our society, we are being sold a lie. And it's a lie of what wealth really is. Now, let me tell you, in my view, true wealth is not about having 5 cars or having a nicer house than the person beside you. True wealth is freedom, it's impact, and it's generosity. In other words, true wealth is having the freedom to work with the people that you like, doing a job that you love, and it's also about having impact, positive impact upon the people around you, the people that you care about, on the community that you love, and this planet that we all honor and respect. And I'll tell you what, it's not just about freedom and impact, but it's also about the capacity to be generous. Now, did you know that God's plan for your life is freedom, impact, and generosity? Did you know that God wants you to be free and He wants you to have a life of impact because it's not all about you? And one of the ways that you can have that life of impact is by being generous. And so I want to tell you about a 10-week course that we're going to be launching on October the 5th, 2023. It's going to be each week. It's going to be at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. It's going to be live here in person in Calgary, but also live stream online. And in this course, we're going to break down the specific elements that have shaped your money story, and we're going to give you the tools that you need to shift it so that you can begin to experience brand new outcomes when it comes to your money. And I can promise you that every one of the things that we look at is going to be biblically aligned, but it's also going to be about having you have the tools and skills and the mindset so that you can develop that true wealth, which again, it's freedom, it's impact, and it's generosity. If you want to come on this journey of your money story and shifting it, please do join us starting October 5th. All the information is in the post below. Can't wait to see you there.